Step into Christmas 2025, where elegance meets coziness. Deck the halls with chic vibes and festive cheer this Christmas 2025. From traditional to trendy, making spirits bright this holiday season. Unwrap the magic of modern holiday decor this Christmas. Turning my home into a stylish winter wonderland, 2025 edition. Sustainably stunning, eco-friendly decor ideas for a festive 2025. Shimmer, shine, and sparkle, holiday glam is in the air. Citrus, greenery, and chic vibes, keeping it fresh and festive this year. Minimalist magic, when less is more, even at Christmas. Creating holiday memories under the glow of trendy decor. As Christmas 2025 approaches, holiday decor trends are blending timeless elegance with modern twists to create chic and trendy spaces that exude festive charm. This year, the focus is on sustainability and personalization, with eco-friendly materials like recycled glass ornaments, handcrafted wooden decorations, and biodegradable glitter taking center stage. Color palettes are moving beyond the traditional red and green, embracing sophisticated hues like blush pink paired with metallic gold, icy blues combined with silver, and even deep emerald tones accented with copper or rose gold. Layered lighting is another big trend, with fairy lights, LED candles, and illuminated garlands used to create a warm, magical ambiance. Statement Christmas trees are all the rage, featuring unique toppers such as oversized bows, cascading ribbons, or abstract star designs. For a cohesive look, mantelpieces and dining tables are dressed with lush greenery, dried citrus accents, and delicate string lights, complemented by elegant table settings featuring minimalistic yet festive centerpieces. Personalized decor, such as monogrammed stockings, custom ornaments, or hand-painted signs, adds a touch of warmth and individuality. Lastly, outdoor spaces are being transformed into winter wonderlands with lantern-lit pathways, wreath-adorned doors, and twinkling trees that welcome guests with holiday cheer. Whether you prefer understated elegance or bold, contemporary designs, Christmas 2025 offers countless ways to create a holiday home that's both trendy and unforgettable.